And they're off for the Melbourne to Hobart. Here they go. Check these boats coming on. Not a lot of room between us and them. Oh my goodness, it's going to be interesting. What are they going to do here? Oh, he's going round us. Are they allowed to do that? Oh my goodness, this is going to be close. This is going to be close. Oh my God! Oh!
Protest! There's a few witnesses on the boat. Come on, go.
Jeez, God. I don't know if that was close or not. Oh my God. Shit. Oh, getting knocked from behind. Oh shit. Get me out with Alex. Oh, second coming off second first. Jeez, a bit of competition going on here. Got stuck on there. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Stay away from them. That's quite an issue.
They're in big trouble. They're stuck there.
The lane's too tight. Let's focus on speed.
Shivers, I think it's just starting to settle down now. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but my heart's in my... Jeez. I hope my hand wasn't over the whole time there.